quick demo on how to send email marketing newsletters out. So first of all, you want to go to MailChimp, get all that bit there. So go to MailChimp.com and you should get this screen here. Then you want to log in. So hopefully, if you're already logged in, it should remember your username and password. If not, type in your username there and your password there. It's quite complicated, but that's sent to you an email. Keep me logged in, and then press login. Okay, once you've logged in, you should get your dashboard, which gives you an insight of how to subscribe to your newsletter. What we want to do today is create a new campaign or a new email newsletter to people. So go to campaigns. Okay, and this one here, well, it's only 2 at the moment, but hopefully there'll be more as the year goes on. This is the main template, so we're going to use this and duplicate it. So let's copy that, replicate here. So we're going to replicate that one, so remember all the information from the template file. So do replicate. Cool. First of all, we'll ask you who you want to send it out to. So the entire list, which is 22 people, or as you go on, you can create like segments. For example, you could group people into sort of who's bought this book, or whose email address you got from a trade show. But since we've only got one list, let's do entire list here. And they're all of the users that signed up from the website. Let's do next. Okay, this is the campaign name. This is for your internal use, so I'm going to call this New Year's email. Let's say the user that's getting the email will not see this, but they will see this. So maybe find out about the new book launch. Fantastic. The from name, they will see that, so you can have it Sue, your name there, and your from email address again. It could be Sue, and this is your main email address there, and that will redirect to your Yahoo account if anybody does reply to it. Here, this is pretty standard stuff. Just leave track opens up, and don't worry about the rest here. In social media, don't worry about this as well. It's something you could look at another stage. You ain't got any videos, so don't worry about that there. Once you're happy with that, double check your email subject and your from name. Once you're happy with that, go to next. It will ask you now what template you want to use. So you could use one of their standard templates, but I have created one for you. So just click on Code Your Own, Pasting Code. Fantastic. And since it's replicated from the old campaign, it should remember all this code here. And it might look scary at first, but don't panic. Ignore everything and scroll right down and find this section here, where it says do not edit before this and do not edit after this. Here you can just change this to whatever you want. So we could say let's do Happy New Year. You can put anything you want here. Okay, and to create a new line, what you need to do is do this bit of code here, which is open the bracket, BR, and in the bracket there. So it needs to be like that. It doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase. It's better if it is lowercase, but don't worry if it's not. And that means break line. It's I'm not sure what it stands for, but BR, break line, break line. Hope you have a great start to the year. You can carry on going, putting new breaks in there, any copy you want here as well. If you want to add a link, this is what you need to do. And this is a tiny bit complex, but if you practice, you'll get there. Is copy this, open bracket, AF equals, and put your URL in there. So it could be anything like books, or you can copy and paste any URL in there. And this is the copy for the link. Make sure that has an end thing as well, like that. So it has close dash A, so it's like that. If you're not having a link, just delete that. Okay, then you add the rest of your copy there, put a double BR there, and then a message there. Once you're happy with that, ready to send. Just make sure that's all correct. Fantastic. Cool, save that. Ooh. Cool, I'm going to next. And it gives you an overview. Actually, I'm just go back one stage. What you can do here, if you're a bit worried before sending it out, you can preview it. So you can go to preview and test, send a test email, and you can send an email back to yourself. Just to make sure it looks how you expect it to look. I don't know if it's .co.uk.com, not .com. So you can do that and send a test. It takes about 5 minutes to come to you, then you can see what it looks like before you send it out to everyone. Okay, but once you're happy with how it looks, make sure you save it. You might update there, and then you need to confirm that you want to send it. Either click next or confirm, and it'll tell you, it will tick these here. Don't worry about social cards. Once you're happy with that, you press that send button. It'll give you one final notification, and then press send, and it'll send to the 22 people or the 100 people that you eventually have.